Hello there. Are you ready to take your cooking game to the next level? Well, you're going to need the right tools for the job. In this video, we'll be highlighting the must-have kitchen utensils for every home cook should have in their arsenal. We'll start with a really good knife. So there's the knife. You'll need a good knife to do some chopping on a chopping board. So you can see the knife's used to chop the vegetables. Chopping board and knife. A colander. Colander. Now don't get that mixed up with calendar. That tells you the days and months. This is a colander. You can see there's some fruit, and you put water onto the fruit to wash it. Make sure it's nice and clean before you use it. So that's a colander. We've cut our vegetables, we've washed our fruit. Now we're going to put them in a blender. A blender. Maybe you use that to make a smoothie. So you use a blender. Okay, so we've got a nice vegetable fruit smoothie using those tools. Let's look at the main meal now. First, we need to peel our potatoes with a peeler. A peeler. We will open a can or a tin. Some people say a can opener or a tin opener. Both words all right. Can opener or tin opener. So there's a tuna inside there. Tin of tuna. We've peeled our potatoes and we've got some tuna. Now we need to grate some cheese using a grater. A nice tuna bake. Potatoes and tuna with a little bit of cheese grated on top. So we've got our smoothie. We've got our tuna bake. Next we're going to make cake. First we'll need a whisk. A whisk to mix the ingredients of flour, eggs and milk. A whisk. Once we've got the mixture into a dough, we need a rolling pin. A rolling pin. Once we've made our cake in the oven, or our pie, whichever you want, you could have a pie, a sweet pie, or you can make a cake. Today I've made a cake. There's my cake. Nice chocolate cake. I need a spatula to spread the chocolate on the top. Spatula. So there's the cooking tools that everyone needs to do different meals in the kitchen. I hope you've enjoyed this video today. Hope you found it useful. If you did, give me a like and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.